Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Loginate. In this video, I will guide you on how to send PNG file on WhatsApp. WhatsApp is an online application where you can connect to your friends, families and even update your status. So first of all, open your WhatsApp app. Now tap on the person's name that you want to send the file to. Now in order to send the PNG file, click on the attachment icon that is right next to the video icon. Here you can choose from either document, camera, gallery, audio, location, contact or poll. You have to click on document. At the top you can see two options. One is to browse documents and another one is to choose from gallery. You have to tap on choose from gallery. Tap on the PNG photo file that you want to send. Now you can see the attachment over here. This is a PNG file. Now click on the send icon that is at the bottom right corner. And here you can see your PNG file is uploaded. So that's how you upload a PNG file on WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.